And a new study reveals how the pandemic is taking a mental toll on healthcare workers. Researchers from Hartford Hospital in Connecticut polled nearly 1,700 medical workers. Nearly half reported at least one serious psychiatric symptom. Here to give us more perspective is Dr. Thea Gallagher, the assistant professor of psychiatry at the Perelman School of Medicine at the University of Pennsylvania. Thank you for being with us, Doctor.
Thank you for having me.
We know there is a physical toll with long hours, and we've also heard healthcare workers throughout the entire pandemic talk about the overwhelming emotional toll as well. What are they dealing with in hospitals right now?
I think people are just dealing with a different work environment. There's a lot of stress. There's the stress of their patients that they are experiencing. There's also, fewer visitors. And so, again, the stress that comes with all of that. Also, their work environments aren't the same as they were before the pandemic. They're not typically allowed to eat lunch in the same ways that they were before. And so even like the social community aspect of work that they used to have is not there anymore. But then also just going to work with the threat of COVID every day it takes a real toll on your mental health.
We know a support system is just crucial, and we understand some hospitals are offering mental health support for employees. What are those programs being offered at Penn?
At Penn, we have Penn Cobalt, which is an online platform where people can access resilience coaching, therapists, podcasts, videos, groups that we have that are trying to meet the needs of all of the healthcare workers that we have in the system, because we realize they are under such pressure, and the things that they're dealing with is really mounting stress and anxiety.
Hopefully a lot that was learned from the tough times during March and April, what they learned from the pandemic at that point that they can apply now.
Well,
Dr. Thea Gallagher, thank you so much for your time.
you're welcome.